guys, morning. We have an event coming up. It's called the Summer Festival. We held in Krinolin on the 1st of June. So we have exactly, today is 31st, so exactly we have 10 days to say. So this is a very different event of its kind, and it'll be the first of its kind actually, and for us it'll be the very first time to get to exhibit our builds in the city. So these are some of the builds we have here in the making. Of course, the platina. This one, we still do not know yet what to make with this one, and we have 10 days, my people. 10 days. Okay, and piling up is this one. Customers, we have finished, and this one too. All right, and some more in here, which is this thing, the 150 pulsar standing there, and the Centuro finishing touches. So again, like I said, we got so little time, and so much to do. So this one right here, we will be doing it sort of a cultural theme. That's what we're planning. Let's see how it comes up. We still need the materials, we still need the resources for the bike. This one, I don't know how we go about it. It's in a working condition. We have fixed installed a new carb. All the engine parts, most of the engine parts were renewed, and the only thing left now is the paint job, of course, and the build as a whole, specifically for the event. Why that little? Ito, nasipid mo. Okay, kapag siya.
Ini ang paunar sisiyang lah, sistem ini lah dan ya, dengan putin ada lelut lempong tentu, putin temai ada lelut,
Ini panis di. Siya sa kanus ni, kandai sini na eh. 9 days, 8. Nyo.
Benefit benda ini dah. Asli sekali. Ini belok nih.
Bukan lo. Ini hiliranya. Hiliranya. Woi,
Apa itu lah?
ini kan ini kok, Mas.
Ini lebih. Another one.
Day one. Snar courage. Day one namta strike. Okay. Saksi kay. Atli bite, lain bite. Hold down. Let's have some tea. Some tea party. Some tea party. Ta intro pun bat kowe. Intro kowe.
Prime time, sispang ada di prime time. Sudah prime time.
Baru kapan?
Yang keempat ini nih, keempat ini. Emang Aisyah udah ketua. Kemarin udah hafal yang nih. Tak itu.
Nama aja parang ay parang tu bakan ikan kamayo.
Ayo yang nih.
Rong yon nakarong isi deh.
Diksi.
Ali something dari babu acrylic na bu.
Ay kering.
Kalau size na
Ay, bentar tinggal awal ini.
apa wandur bakan yang dari itu.
Bang, nggak ada yang sampai sisi yuk. Kalau tam tadi nakatawa yang ini, nakatawa ini. Nang ni kawan, bawal. Ini jaka bawal, wan kumto nang ni. Sini. Ni. Tapto mantap. Amte bra, pe sini siliang mele, pe sini siliang. Ih. Kata kan, pe ni jaka wel nang ni pe. Nang ni na edge pe ini siliang ih. Pe sini siliang mo pe. Ni. Penyang ni itu wan penyang ni bini tu. Apa ada siap di sini? Apa ada siap? Penyang tu itu lah penyang ni itu. Baik tu. Kamu pada gue. Kalau akem ni kan ni set abang.
Sudah last time berat. Ini isu ready.
Gue uang kat liu tapi dah ham tak.
Lebih. Kamu lele.
Kita kan hapenwan makan ni dia.
Kita kan ni.
Hapenwan makan ni. Nasi suai kata hapenwan makan ni. Kan ni ke atas ni. Tang asyut ni yang keselut yang sini.
Nah, kamu orang shoot lu ni. Pedak orang ni.
Lelem nak.
Push deh.
Oh, this is the paint shop.
Tampelan.
This is the paint shop, bro. This is the paint shop.
Cucu. Ini yang wah pernah rubutin deh, kamu well ni.
Kenapa? Putin.
Ini mau kan ni. Ini lele lah.
Putin.
Makan ni
Oh,
support
lah,
lah.
why di lens ni lah
Yang
jawab.
ni kan support tak ni. Support ayam timbul melabur lumpau lah tu dah.
Ayu.
Dia ada well ni.
Asal yang mana ni? Ini hab berai ni. Beli yang mana?
Kamu kan ni makan dah tu.
Berai lu buat.
Kamu betul tuan support.
Itu sport seat ni.
Tumat kamu.
Karak nak tu.
Berdeka tahu lah mengkalanya tu.
Monday, Tuesday, Friday. The badge is finally taking its shape. The shape is jackass. Jingjikan. Dah. Oh, guys, tengok balik. Kena aku turun tahap sini. Bye bye. See you, my beautiful bikes. This is the beautiful bikes, and the beautiful bikes. Bye bye. Oh, it's time for Khana. It's time for Khana. And the paint master is in his paint house. To those, the day is done. Aku bersengi. Pang ni but kikam ki babun ladak. How you doing, mate? Signing off. Bye bye. See you on the other. Sikado pa la siya sengi. Oh, pun rupa long bye. Long bye.
Bye bye.